Johnny Depp trial, live, actor returns to stand after Kate Moss testifies about Amber Heard claims. Amber Heard's legal team has rested their defense case in the defamation trial brought against her by ex-husband Johnny Depp. Testimony from rebuttal witnesses for Depp is underway, with the actor himself returning to the stand. Heard is being sued by Depp for $50 million for implying he abused her in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed. Although she didn't name him, he claims her allegations impacted his ability to work. She is pursuing a counterclaim of $100 million, of which a motion to dismiss was denied by Judge Pinhas Carte. Supermodel and Depp ex Kate Moss testified that during her relationship with the actor in the 1990s he did not push her down the stairs as had been rumored and mentioned by Heard in testimony. Rebuttal witnesses countered the testimony of experts put forward in Heard's defense concerning her alleged loss of earnings and the mental health of both her and Depp. The court heard differing accounts of alleged violent incidents, and a former friend of Heard's sister said she believed it was something very wrong to support claims against Depp. He worked on two other Heard stories, both in August 2016. In the first, she was to be seen arriving at a law office to give video deposition. The second was an email Dropbox link to the video showing Depp slamming cabinets that was secretly filmed by Heard. Depp fans delight over his smile during Kate Moss testimony. Viewers noticed Johnny Depp smiling as Kate Moss took the stand in his defamation trial against ex-wife Amber Heard. Moss testified for only a few minutes on Wednesday, 25th of May, via video link, during which she denied Heard's claim that Depp had pushed her down the stairs in the 90s. Mr. Tremaine says he first worked on a Heard tip on May 27, 2016 when she was at the courthouse getting the temporary restraining order. They intended to show her leaving the building, at which point she would stop and show the alleged bruise on her face. New witness, Morgan Tremaine, former TMZ employee. Morgan Tremaine, formerly of TMZ, is now testifying. The celebrity news outlet attempted to stop Mr. Tremaine from testifying. He begins by saying he was a field assignment manager at TMZ in 2016. It was his job to dispatch paparazzi to hot spots where celebrities would be, through tips TMZ received. Depp suggests Heard attorney fabricated text messages in heated cross-examination. Johnny Depp suggested that Amber Heard's attorney had fabricated negative text messages that he allegedly sent about his ex-wife. "You can pull what you like, I've never said those words. There's not enough hubris in me to say anything like that," Mr. Depp told Heard lawyer Ben Rottenborn during cross-examination on Wednesday. Depp is asked about another graphic text brought up by Mr. Rottenborn concerning a person called Molly. He says, "I don't know who Molly is. I don't know nothing about any of these. Honestly, if someone else had borrowed my phone and made this text to Steven, Pa, I don't write like that." Asked about the texts in which he appears to call for Warner Brothers to drop Heard from Aquaman, he says he felt it was his responsibility to get the truth to the studio about what they were going to end up facing down. He refers to two franchises that would cause problems for one another because of Heard's and his involvement, Aquaman and Fantastic Beasts. "I had given my word to them, and I felt responsible that I had to tell them exactly what was going on and that it was going to end up ugly." In redirect by his lawyer, Depp explains about the text message. "I'm in total shock that this is happening to me. That my entire life on the planet has been brought to the head of a pin. We have a tendency, as humans, to get very, very irate and angry." Depp is also challenged as to whether he tried getting Heard fired from Aquaman. Mr. Rottenborn shows text messages seeming to confirm that, and then reads a text message sent to Christian Carino about Heard that ranks possibly as the most graphic of the trial. In it, he says, "She's begging for total global humiliation. She going to get it?" During tense questioning, Depp is shown texts he allegedly sent to Steven Deuters in which he says, "If I want a woman sexually, I take her, and I need, I want, I take." Depp denies sending the messages.